A single tree in the Amazon rainforest can be more valuable than its weight in gold, and it's not just about the wood. These towering giants are like natural air conditioners, absorbing tons of carbon dioxide and cooling the planet, combating climate change with every breath they take. Beyond that, they host entire ecosystems, supporting countless species of plants and animals that might hold the secrets to the next medical breakthrough. Imagine the untapped potential of new medicines hidden in the vibrant tapestry of life clinging to these ancient trunks. And then there's the indigenous communities whose cultures and livelihoods are intricately woven with these forests. Cutting down a tree is not just losing timber, it's erasing a chapter of human heritage. Next time you think of gold, consider the green treasures that keep our planet thriving.